Avunaanibwa Tigiti munnansi w'eggwanga lya Ethiopia yereeta mu kkooti eno oluvannyuma lwa kkooti mu maaso g'omulamuzi Ronald Kayizi okumuyisaako ekiragiro akwatibwe. Ono bw'aleeteddwa mu kkooti olunaku olwaleero bannamateeka be nga bakulembeddwamu Mwesigwa Rukutana basabye kkooti okumuyimbula kkakalu ka kkooti ono yaleka abaana abato ewaka kyokka omuwabi wa gavumenti mu musango guno Jonathan Mwaganya kyawakanyizza.
Is not in the country. These children of their age are being living alone in the house.
But finally, Your Honor, at the time that the applicant was arrested at Entebbe Airport, she was single-handed, alone, without these kids. She was arrested alone. So one wonders, since the husband has been away since 2023, under whose custody had she left these children? Get the directives of this court to move the probation officer of the address. She should provide the address where these children are.
Wano wabaddewo okusika omuguwa ng'omuwabi wa gavumenti agamba nti okufuna avunaanibwa tekyali kyangu ate nga si munnansi nga kyandimuviirako okudduka mu ggwanga.
This effectively means that should she decide to leave the country, she will completely have no ties with the Republic of Uganda. And it has not been demonstrated that she will have any.
Moga said by the time of her childhood, she had no legal status in Uganda, meaning she was here unlawfully. Then, he contradicted himself by saying the issue of her status in Uganda is being investigated. The investigations are not yet completed. So why does he conclude that she had no status? If she had no status, she would be here being charged with unlawful entry and unlawful existence in Uganda.
Mwaganya agamba nti alina watuuse mu kunoonyereza ku musango guno era baagala guwulirwe mu bwangu.
This court prioritized the hearing of the case, which can be heard and concluded in a matter of days, as opposed to risking the applicant on bail in the circumstances.
Avunaanibwa Tingiti n'abalala bavunaanibwa emisango okuli okufuna ensimbi mu lukujjukujju okuva eri Bamusigansimbi okuli Abel Kalpani n'abalala ezisoba mu bukadde 917 nga babalimbye nga bagenda okukola ku ndagaano Bamusigansimbi okukolera mu Uganda. Joseph Seruwoza ne Moses Junju, BBS Terefayina, Ageesigika.